Hello, I'm Mr. Ugly Man, but you can call me Bob. Today I will be doing science experiments with hydrochloric acid. Lol. The first experiment, egg versus hydrochloric acid. Ted, let me transform into my human form and show you what you need for the experiment.
Welcome to the Mad Scientist Lab. Today we're going to show you the effect of acid chlorhydric, which is what in English?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid on different objects. Bone, eggs, and so on. Let's get cracking.
The second experiment is an egg with acid. The egg is fresh because it floats.
Alright, so
The color of the egg changed
oh yes it does.
instantly when I put it in.
The bubbling is quite impressive. Let's see, more light on it. Yeah, the shell is becoming it's not smooth anymore. I believe we should
Looks
have
like styrofoam.
I believe we should have a result soon. As you can see, after 2 minutes, the white of the egg is starting to come out of the shell, and it's cooking it.
No, it's not cooking.
And the egg is getting more foamy and ooh, impressive.
The glass will overflow.
Uh,
Yay!
That no, that's. But now, wow, we have an impressive reaction, chemical reaction.
Get a bigger glass.
Yes, no, I'm not gonna play with. Wow, I would like to see some yellow, please. And pretty soon we won't be able to see the egg. It's going to be covered with
White.
with the white. Wow. And we'll come back to it in a second.
For the next experiment, I will put a sponge in the acid. Will it just absorb the acid or melt?
We should have a result pretty soon.
Come back for the result.
There we are with the sponge. A few minutes.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. We're gonna put it on the plate anyway.
And see if it changes.
It's gonna be easier to grab than the bone.
You'll need to change the acid. The acid got a bit green.
Yeah. Basically not much result. Okay, stop.
Can't touch it.
No, it's like a sponge. No.
Next experiment. Okay, so the next experiment was suggested by Yamada Ayumu on my Discord server.
Up. You put the acid first, because remember we emptied it. Alright. So the shout out is to who?
Yamada Ayumu.
And it's on your
Discord server.
Discord server.
It's like a chatting thing.
Okay, don't ask me what it is. And we start with the sugar. And we have sugar at the bottom of the container with acid on top. The sugar doesn't seem to be bothered. And we'll stop for now.
Okay, so the next experiment is gonna be
A lead
a lead wine
bottle, yeah.
bottle thing versus acid.
Now we remind you that acid, it's only 23% concentration, so it's not the... And the lead is in. Alright.
I think you'll have no effect.
On lead,
Yeah.
just to remind you, like acid usually, well, that kind of acid, anyway, usually act really well on metals, but not lead.
Maybe because there's a coating.
Yes, there is, but on the inside there is no.
Maybe
Coating.
if we scratch
Alright,
off-
we'll see you later for the result.
It's making noises. Yeah. It's steaming. It's steaming. I did.
Okay, we're having a big chemical reaction. It's smoking.
The acid is black.
The acid is turning black. We'll stop the experiment just in case it would get dangerous. Alright, and that's it. Yeah, big reaction there. Alright.
The next experiment is with styrofoam.
and the styrofoam is in. It floats happily ever after on top. Yeah, give it a push. It's been pushed inside the acid, and we have so far no reaction. And by the way, the sugar experiment didn't give us any chemical reaction. And it's a stop. Alright, we're starting to have some steaming inside the container. Okay, no. Okay. Well, the steaming might have been the condensation of water due to the heat of the lamp on top. So no reaction for that one.
You will need acid and a bone for the first experiment. So let me pour the acid.
Up.
And the bone goes in. Now we wait.
You can already starting to see a reaction, bubbles. Let me try to zoom in, which doesn't make it very clear. The bone is slowly dissolving.
Stop it.
And we stop.
Okay. So I'm taking out the bone from the acid.
If I can, I do not have the right. It's painful to watch. Okay, stop.
No.
No. Oh, it's very soft. I had it.
Yay.
Alright, that's the bone after half an hour. It is very soft on one side, became very soft. Other than that, it changed in color a bit on one side, but not an impressive result anyway. Alright, stop it. Alright, the last experiment is gonna be about dish soap.
No. Doesn't fit.
Alright.
It's slimy.
It's soapy, yeah. We have the acid, we have a dish soap. Be careful. Okay, stop. And it's going in, and it's we have some kind of reaction. Yes,
There's no reaction.
it's turning white, where it was like colorless,
It's stringy.
stringy. I don't know if you can see. Yep. You see stringy soap inside, and it's it was very well. It was yellowish anyway. It wasn't that color. So there's a bit of a reaction. All right.